'93. The only thing original is the cab and the frame rails.
You said it has airbags, right?
Yeah.
Can you pick it up or it goes lower or?
Oh, it's all the way down right now.
Yeah, these things are
Every
nice.
light on it turns purple.
Would it start right now or no?
Yeah.
Picked up this S10. It's 1986. Can I hear that? It's like, sounds funny. I don't know if it's like rock on the tire. It has off-road tires. Maybe it's a big old rock stuck on it. But anyway, I have a 5.3 and a 4060 that I want to put on this truck because this little motor right here is slow. Like my foot is all the way down and it's barely moving. So this one, I bought it because I like this color combo. I've been looking for an S10 for a while and they're kind of hard to find. In decent shape. This one's in decent shape. It's not like in badass shape because it does have its dents and dings here and there. For the most part, I mean the interior is okay. But it is missing the headliner, which shouldn't be expensive. I know to do the seat, I'll probably end up paying like $300, like 150 to 200 for the carpet. The headliner, that I might just have to shop around like a marketplace to look for one. But I think that's all I'm gonna want to do for the interior. The exterior, leave it alone. Maybe the back bumper, I'll show you guys the back bumper in a little bit because it is kind of like farm truck type of bumper, and wheels and tires, and the swap. The AC, I mean, don't get me wrong, the little truck, the AC works. Everything works on it. Blinker lights, headlights, tail lights, everything works. The guy that I just bought it from, he just replaced the transmission. 3-year warranty on the transmission. But I mean, the truck's really slow, man. It's really slow. So that motor and transmission has to go. giving this motor and transmission to my S10 Blazer. I have a Blazer, it's an 86, so I might do that on that one because I know the transmission on that one was kind of slipping already. So I'm gonna try to pull over in a little bit to a gas station and walk around and show you guys more details. Look at the steering play. I'm going 70, and man, you can hear all this wind. Sounds like I'm going faster from all the wind noise. And one thing about the little truck, the AC is good. It's cold. For the most part, the truck runs okay. Just these shocks. This thing is super bouncy. Alright guys, I pulled over on the side of Hardy Bridge so I can show you guys the truck. It's an 86 S10 Tahoe, 2.8 liter, small little weak motor. You guys seen how I was flooring it, and man, this thing was barely moving. The paint, original paint, but it does have its dents here and there. This is what you call a 10-footer. It looks good 10 feet away, but when you get up close, you start noticing all the little dents here. This looked like it was touched up. The bumper looks new. I want to replace the grill with one with the bow tie in the middle, like the Chevy bow tie. I want to replace the wheels and tires. These tires are pretty rugged, not smooth at all. The wheels are mismatching. Well, at least 3 are matching, and one of them is different from the others. It's kind of look like those spare steely ones. The guy I bought it from said he got it detailed, but yeah, they didn't do a good job. Don't need to reupholster the seat. I would put new carpet in here. It's already old, since 1986. I think a new one. It's not even expensive, maybe like $160. Does need the headliner. As you can see, the bed is dented. It's a farm truck, so you gotta expect some kind of bumps and bruises. So it opens good. Closes good. The windows, the cranks, all that, those are pretty good. They don't get stuck or anything. Let me show you the beast of the engine. Like a new AC compressor, blower motor. It has a new transmission, new windshield washer fluid tank. I feel like this little motor is probably used and abused. You know, usually them farm trucks, man, they get put to work. I think this will make a good little sleeper truck. I really like the color combo. Let me turn it on for you guys, so you could hear the big cam. Just kidding, no cam. So what do you guys think? By the way, it's a good little spot here by downtown to get good pictures. I came here and took pictures of that white and orange C10 that I have. If you move up closer, but I mean you won't have that much space to walk around. You'll get the background of downtown. Yeah, this is gonna be a short video, guys. Just kind of like a little update on the latest thing that I've bought. It's not something big, nothing fancy, but yet another project. If you guys got any ideas of what I should nickname this one, put in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe.